Like, you can bring those anywhere. Keep them in your glove department. Keep them in your purse.
Now I'm like, do you have one on you right now? Because you keep talking about how you have them.
Hi, my name is Toni.
And I'm Tucker. And today, we are trying each other's breakup snack foods. How many breakups have you been through?
A few.
I'm so sorry, that really hit home, didn't it? I honestly wish I've been through more. This is maybe me planning for my next breakup. Yeah. Or maybe first divorce. Well, I'm excited to see what you have in store.
So, let's get to it.
First up.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, a classic. I'm ready for it. Everyone knows that there's two types of candy, chocolate and not chocolate. You gotta hit both food groups. I can't just be wolfing down some M&Ms without having like also a sour candy. Does that make sense?
So which one do I eat first?
In my household, we alternate. These are dangerous because like once you start, you can't stop. And that's okay. Like if the breakup didn't have those tears, like that'll bring the tears for sure.
I have a few questions.
Wow. My strategy is to mask the pain by hurting myself in another way. It gets my mind off things.
Yeah, just now when I was eating them, like I completely blacked out.
Mission accomplished.
Yeah, I'm not mad at it.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see.
Tell me a little bit about chocolate peanut butter pie Oreo.
So they're creamy, you get the peanut butter, you get like the little pie and the cake, and it's just like a really nice dessert.
There are like 9 different methods right now that I'm thinking of eating this. Oh, baby, that's the peanut butter. That's for sure. And there's the chocolate. Makes sense with the colors. I'm about to say something, and it's good news. I honestly like these better than a normal Oreo. I really do.
When going through a breakup, I feel like this is the perfect snack because obviously it's crunchy, it's creamy. I don't know if I could eat all of this and like wake up the next morning.
I can see myself sobbing into these for sure. Are we swapping or are we keeping?
Well, I really do like the whole sour thing accompanied by the peanut chocolate thing.
Thank you.
I'm gonna have to go with my snack. It feels homey and cozy and it's what I know. This was good though, but I'm going back with mine.
I respect it. I would too. In terms of like breakup, you're so right. Something about creamy flavor gives me breakup.
Are we ready for the next round?
Oh, I'm ready. Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's see it.
Let's go. Obviously, it's Taco Bell. I haven't had one of these since college.
I haven't had one since like 3 days ago. Uncrustables. Oh, baby.
So I'll go first here. Do I just pick this up and bite this? It's been a while.
Absolutely. If I saw you with a fork and knife, I'd tackle you to the ground.
Oh my gosh.
Your Crunchwrap Supreme, get rid of the beef, add chicken instead, add jalapenos, and also fire and Diablo sauce at the same time. Do you like spicy things?
I do.
It's the spice or the breakup. That's perfect.
That's actually nice.
Thank you. I didn't make it, but thank you. Wow.
I actually really enjoy this.
You think of breakup foods, I immediately go to like an ice cream or like some dessert kind of thing, but like I gotta be sobbing during dinner too. The beautiful thing about a Crunchwrap is that you can eat it and cry wherever you want. Whether that is in the car, as soon as you leave that drive-thru. But me personally, I would say on my couch, wrapped in a blanket, in the comfort of my own home, so I'm not kind of being judged by those around me. Do I try your Uncrustable?
Yes, these are my Uncrustables. These are peanut butter and strawberry jelly. That is an important detail. You have to have them cold. They are a perfect like 2 a.m. kind of snack when like the tears just won't stop and like you just need something quick and fast.
I mean, you can't beat it. It's really good.
All right, so what are we gonna do? Are we gonna swap or are you gonna keep it?
Okay, this is really hard for me. These are like 2 different food groups to me, but I think I have to go with the Crunchwrap Supreme. I mean, it's a Crunchwrap Supreme. Yeah. What more can be said?
I'm not gonna lie, this was like really nostalgic. I actually forgot how good this was.
It's good.
And I feel like it would be a nice replacement for the Uncrustables. So I am actually going to keep this one. Super tasty. Yeah.
Okay, should we do the next one?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Can I keep this? Snack number 3. Boom. Oh, whoa.
Wow. Interesting.
Don't knock it till you try it. That is a dill pickle, not a sweet pickle. Get out of town if you like sweet pickles. Do you like sweet pickles? Sorry.
I do.
No, okay, great.
What is this doing for you?
It's doing a lot for me in oh yeah, that was such a good bite. Again, like you were saying with the Oreo, you can just wolf down like truly a full jar and not feel bad. Well, you'd feel bad about the breakup still probably, but I just love a good pickle. They're so juicy. You get that salt.
How many of these are you eating in one sitting?
Do I have to be honest? Probably like 8.
Woo!
I feel like that's not as many as it sounds. When you're going through a breakup, I feel like I need something from every food group. You need that sweet, you need that savory, and this kind of hits one of the other food groups.
Yeah, I could see that. I really do like the dill in the pickle.
There we go.
Yeah, I'm open.
Can I try your paws?
Of course.
How do you eat it? Are you grabbing by the fist?
I mean, yeah, I'm fisting these paws.
Yo, baby. Here we go.
obviously when you're going through a breakup, you're looking for anything to just like distract you and get your mind off of things. So like the shape like really is a little bit entertaining.
I totally agree with you. Just like having a little fun thing. It's like, and I look down and I go, okay. There's a brief moment of levity.
I like submitted an inquiry for them to make the hot flavor. They haven't got back to me yet. Cheetos.
You submitted an inquiry?
Yeah.
I love that.
So what are you gonna do? Are you sticking with your snack? Are you sticking with the dill pickle thingy?
You know, as much as I love a pickle, I'm gonna have to go with the puffs. This just feels more breakup-y, like holding this here.
Exactly.
What about you? What are you keeping?
Well, I love the pickle. It's not giving breakup, sad, depressed. So, I'm going with puffs.
And I respect that.
Yeah.
Are you gonna finish that one? Or?
No, go ahead.
Okay, thank you.
Let's do the next round.
Let's do it.
Ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes. Yum.
Oh my goodness!
Whoa, a honey bun. I don't think I've had a honey bun. No
Oh my
offense.
goodness. You haven't lived.
It looks to me like a cinnamon roll.
Sort of. Something like that.
Oh, baby. Are you
Yes.
kidding me?
This is the breakfast morning breakup snack. This is like before I pretend like I'm gonna go work out. I'm gonna eat a bite of that, have a little coffee. And
This
then,
is wild because
Yeah.
I like one bite and it's melting in my mouth.
they're like super small and compact, so you can put them in like your shirt, your sweater, and your hair.
Okay, do these come wrapped? I now have to ask.
Yeah, they do come wrapped.
Great, and you're so right. I need to be sobbing at breakfast too.
Yeah.
And this is the perfect way
And
to
it's
do so.
portable. Like you can bring those anywhere. Keep them in your glove department. Keep them in your purse.
Now I'm like, do you have one on you right now? Because you keep talking about how you have them.
Gone Berry Crazy dark chocolate.
So these are in the freezer section at Trader
Oh my
Joe's.
goodness. TJ's does it again.
They really do. They done did it again.
Mm.
Are you a dark chocolate kind of person?
Yes, I am.
You look like you just got over the breakup. I'll tell you what.
I actually really love these. This is like, okay, I'm over it. I'm done.
Yes. It reminds me of what's to come.
It's not healthy, but like we're getting there.
I mean, I'm no
We're
doctor,
getting
but dark chocolate to me, in my lived experience, healthy. A strawberry, that's what we call a fruit. Are we swapping or are we keeping? What do you want to do?
I'm gonna keep it real. Honey buns, like I grew up on those. I just feel like I've surpassed that. I'm ready to give them up.
Oh, I did
I'm
not
ready to
expect
move on.
that. I think that I also am gonna go with the berry,
Okay.
cherry,
The
strawberry.
cherry berries.
See, you get so confused when trying to say the name of it that you forget about your ex.
Next one. Are you ready?
Let's do it.
All right, come on.
Oh my gosh, that's the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Chocolate milk? Is this what this is?
Not chocolate milk. Chocolate milk.
I can't say that I'm super excited about this one if I'm gonna be honest. So like,
It is-
what's the deal?
You gotta remember that like snack is not only food form. I gotta be drinking something while I'm wolfing down on my drumsticks, you know?
Bizarre.
It's kind of thick, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like a viscous fluid, but it's delicious.
All right, I accept that. How about we try the cones?
Okay.
You do what you want.
Uh-huh.
I usually eat a few of these at a time, so this is like, okay, I'm going to binge watch my favorite series, and I'm gonna eat like 10 of these. You don't feel bad about eating like 50 of them.
And again, I am distracted by how cute and fun they are.
Yeah.
I don't even remember my ex.
All right, so what are we gonna do? Are we gonna swap, or are you gonna keep it? Obviously, I think you know where I'm at.
I think I do.
I'm eyeing my cones. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm curious.
Okay, this is hard. I'm trying to look back at all the other snacks that I've had, and again, I kind of am standing by the fact that you need a liquid. So I think I'm gonna go with the liquid.
Okay.
But these are delicious. Okay, that was all of them. This was so fun though. Thank you all for joining us, and let us know what your favorite breakup snack food is.
Yeah, comment below. Tell us.
Thanks for hanging out with us.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yes.
You're gonna get through this. You are. Don't worry.
We've
Okay.
all been there.
You're better off without them.